Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart.
Hello my beautiful gorgeous people, it's Odette here. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I do appreciate it, and I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I wish you guys a fantastic week ahead as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this no makeup look. The skincare prep for me is more important than the makeup. You guys are going to see how this is created. Very easy, very simple. All of the products are going to be in the description box for you guys. A really simple, beautiful, no makeup look. All the details are going to be coming up in this video, and I do hope you enjoy. And again, everything that I use on my face is going to be below. So please enjoy, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!
Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart of glass, and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart of. Think I'm tired of being broken. Thinking love is just a waste of time. The higher that I'm hoping, but it's never ever easy. I always end up let down. Take all my love, this is tragic. I could replace it with plastic. Think maybe then I'd be fine. All these
So I've started with the Systane Lid Wipes. I've shown you guys these before. I also use their eye drops as well, which is really good because sometimes my eyes gets really dry throughout the day, and this really helps to remove any debris or oil or anything that's lodged in the lashes or around the eyes that you may not see. This helps with that as well. And of course, I just went in with my Paula's Choice. This is the Super Boost Eye Cream. This really helps as well to clear up the under eye dark circles. So I use this one and the Versed Vacation Eyes as well, which is really good. So that's where I started around the eyes. So this is the NC50 Select Cover Up from MAC. I do have a little bit of this on my brush, and a little bit is all you need. So I'm just going to put a couple of dots just under my eyes and over my eyes as well. Just a little you need. Again, it's NC50 Select Cover Up from MAC, and I'm just going to blend this out, and this really helps to even out my skin so perfectly. As you can see, the dark circles around my eyes is completely gone, and this really evens out my skin tone. This is amazing. I always have this in my collection, and especially if you're doing a no makeup look, you want to be able to have the proper prep for your skin first before you put these things on. And this looks really good. Now let's work on the face. This is the Sephora Glow Peel Pads. These ones are going to make your skin smooth and radiant, and these are really nice, and they're really lovely thin sheets. You may not be able to see that again because it's white and you just need one. So I don't have any moisturizer on my face yet, but I'm just going to go in with this first. And I'm just going to tap this all over my face. And that is lovely. So I'm just going to take my hand and press that in. Next, I'm going to use Sephora Firming Day Cream. I do have product on my hand, so I'm going to use a clean wand. And I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hands. And this doesn't really have any scent to it. I love this Firming Day Cream. My skin feels so good with this. I'm just going to dab this all over my face. And again, you just need a little bit of this. And this works as a moisturizer as well. And this firming day cream gives you a lovely, beautiful glow, which I really like. Love this so much. And again, you can wear this under your makeup, or if you just want to have a natural makeup look. I mean, I can just put some lip gloss on and some eyelashes and I'm done. But I'm just trying to do this no makeup look, but I really want my skin to be nice and prepped first. And I'm going to go in now with this primer, and this came in a BoxyCharm box, and I love this primer so much because it gives my skin such a beautiful natural look, and it works so well under makeup. So I'm not going to go in with my LA Girl high definition concealer. And so if I feel like I need a little cover here or there, I am just going to put a little bit of this on, not in too many places, because my skin basically is pretty much cleared up. And so we're just going to dab this here and there. So next we're going to go in with this product from CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl Serum Moisturizing Primer. You can just wear this on its own with powder, but this is such an amazing product for dark skin ladies. If you really want to have that even skin tone, you do need this. And so I'm going to put a little bit of this on a brush, on a foundation brush. And as you can see, this basically goes on as a almost like a foundation. That's why you can definitely get away with this just as a foundation, but it's not a foundation, it's just a primer, and it keeps your skin nice and even. So I'm just going to quickly blend this out. And now I'm going to take a clean sponge and I'm just going to tap all of my face. So this is really going to help to remove any excess product anywhere on my skin. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Easy Drops, and this is going to give me that really no makeup look. I'm using the same sponge, and I'm just going to put a little drop here and there over my face. I don't want this to be too much on my skin because my skin is basically nicely prepped already. And as you can see, I only have very few drops on my skin. I'm going to leave the shade in the description box for you guys. So I'm just going to use the sponge. I'm sorry, I've got foundation on my fingers. So I'm just going to use the sponge, and we're just going to blend this out. And I'm not going in with this eyeshadow palette. This is from Hard Candy, and I showed you guys this before. And because my eyebrows is still in the healing process, they're not hurting or anything like that. They're still in the healing process, like the peeling and all of that. I want to be able to avoid any foundation fallouts going into the brows. So I'm just going to go in very, very lightly, and I'm going to take a small foundation brush, and I'm going to use I think it's called WTF, which is a neutral color, and I'm just going to put this over my eyes, and I'm trying to avoid going too close to the eyebrows. Okay, and with a smaller brush, I'm just going to go in with a slight shimmer on the lid, and I'm going to use this purple shade. I'm not quite sure what it's called. I'm not wearing my glasses, guys, so sorry. And I'm just going to put this on the lid. So I'm just going to take another clean brush, and I'm going to use Deep Fame, which is a brown color, and we are just going to tap in the corner. This is my black eyeliner from Revolution, and I'm just going to just darken the corners a little. So in the meantime, I'm just going to powder my face, and I'm going to use the Nagi Cosmetics powder, and this is in the shade C10 Warm Yellow. And we're just going to dab just all over my face. And I'm just going to use an eyeliner, and I think I'm just going to use this one. I don't even know what the color of this one is. It's been in my collection for such a long time. And so I'm just going to use a piece of tissue because I don't want to get my hands on my skin. Okay, so I'm just going to get my lashes off camera, and I will pop back in just a minute. Okay, so I've got my eyebrows out, so I'm just going to just adjust my hair a little. And I'm going in with something very simple on my lips today. I'm going to be using a lip balm. This is from Essence, and it gives you a really lovely iridescent look. I'm not quite sure if you can see that. It's just right here. Really, really pretty. It's just a slight shimmer on the lips, and again, it is a lip gloss. And it doesn't go on the lips too bright. Just enough for that light, lovely, beautiful glow on your lips. Really pretty. And I'm just going to go in with a lip liner just to give it a little bit of a definition. This is from MAC, and this is called Current. And I think this is going to be fine. And I'm just going to give it a little sharpening right now. This looks absolutely awesome. And I think I'm just going to go in with a little blush on the cheeks. This is from Nagi Cosmetics. This is called Goldfish. One of my favorite all-time blushes, especially for dark skin. This is absolutely perfect. And this is it right here. Just a little dab. And you put a little bit of this on the cheeks. And it gives you this lovely color that when you smile, this just pops out. Very pretty. It doesn't have to be too much, okay? Just a little bit on the cheeks. Just a little color. And here we be. I'm not going to put any setting spray on my face because my brows is still in the healing process. and so I'm trying to keep any sort of chemicals away from my brows. And this is my no makeup look. Very easy, very simple. A little bit of a color in the eyes. Beautiful and simple. The skincare prep for me is more important. Listen guys, if you follow my skincare tips, you are going to have beautiful skin. Trust me when I tell you. My face looks like I've put on a lot of makeup. This is the Easy Drops from Fenty Beauty, and I went in with just a little dab here and there. I didn't want this all over my face, and my face looks like I've went in with a whole full face of makeup. And so everything that I use on my face for this look is going to be in the description box for you guys if you want to follow along the steps. Keep it easy, keep it simple, just keep it real. I don't really need to put a lot of stuff on my face. It's not necessary. As long as my face looks simple and well put together, that's all I care about. So we are going to leave it here for now. This is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy. My name is Odette, sound off in the description box below. I shall see you guys next Sunday. Toodles. Bye.